Princess Anna and the Sands of Time. In a sunlit kingdom by the silver sea, life glows with gentle peace. Princess Anna tends roses, caring for her people and her garden. At dusk, her grandmother's stories echo like warm embers of wisdom. A sealed letter arrives, heavy with news that steals the breath. Anna reads, Prince Elias is lost in time by a cruel spell. Her heart tightens, the bright day cannot ease her sorrow. She climbs the tower, seeking hope where sky meets stone. In the highest room, sunlight pools upon cool marble. A tear falls, a prayer rises on the clear air like a feather. A soft light gathers, like dawn inside the day. A tiny hourglass floats, delicate as breath and old as time. A gentle voice invites the brave heart to turn the sands. She turns it. The sand whirls as light gathers like a storm. The sky turns golden, the world breathes and becomes other. Time opens its door, and the same castle grows young around her. She searches the halls, calling softly for Prince Elias. No answer in the chambers, her steps remain light but urgent. At last, the old forest beckons beyond the young castle walls. Sunlit leaves shimmer, the path winds under ancient boughs. Birds scatter, a faint shimmer flickers deeper between the trees. She enters a glade where light stands like a circle on the earth. In the glade's heart, magic fire binds a solitary figure. Anna sees him, Prince Elias, held fast by time's bright tether. He whispers that no one can break the spell that holds him. Anna answers softly, love can, and always will. She takes his hand, the hourglass brightens like a new Sunday. The fire vanishes, sand becomes a shining path through time. They walk through light as the forest opens like a page. The castle ahead looks familiar, young yet home. They step forward together as time trembles like a harp string. They arrive in the tower again, morning gold crowns the day. The curse is gone, the hourglass glows softly in peace. Anna and Elias step to the balcony as dawn brightens the kingdom. Below, the people cheer as their prince and princess stand united. Joy rings through sunlit streets, banners dancing over cobblestones. In the royal garden, the hourglass rests where roses keep watch.